Hello everyone, so today I'll be making another custom order from the same regular customer that I had before. She ordered kurumi, lotso, and then the broccoli and also the avocado, and then this time she made another order from me. It is actually a kitchen version of the flower bouquet. For this order, I actually will be doing other crochet pattern for the flower bouquet because she wanted a different type of flowers and there's a lot of variation out there. So for this order, I'll be making the flower bouquet with the inspirations or the reference of other crochet pattern. I won't be doing any of my pattern. I think maybe one or two I'll be doing my own pattern for this order, so we'll see. So this time around, she only requested only 10 pieces of the flower bouquet because she wanted to sell it in the market like next week in her hometown. We have a different hometown and I wish I could have the same market day, market prep like she had, but that's okay, maybe in the future and sooner. But for now, I'll be focusing on to finishing this project. So yeah, yesterday she made this order yesterday, and also this is what I did. This is actually my my crochet order board, I suppose I could say that. So I have other order up there that I haven't finished, but it's not really urgent, so I think I can post that one first. And this is for the flower bouquet. I have few idea for the flower bouquet, and I did discuss this with her, and I said that for the flower bouquet, since she only wanted around 10 pieces for the bouquet, I said why not I make every variation 2 pieces. Like for sunflower bouquet, I'll be making 2. For the daisy flower bouquet, I'll be making another 2, and then the rest will of course be 2 pieces for each variation. I have already decided which kind of variation that I wanted to make, and yesterday she actually asked me and requested if I can make the Halloween one. Of course, I also have reference for that from, I'm not sure where that crochet from, but it's really in Chinese, so if I can nail that, I will include it in her order. But if not, I'll be making a purple kind of like sunflower bouquet, but in a purple color. So we'll see how it goes first, and without any further ado, let's just start the project. I'll be making the sunflower first and also the daisy one, and I actually already finished making it. I have this double-sided flower petal. It's not really double-sided, but it's a two, what you call it, I'm not really sure how you describe this one, but it's like that. It's different than this one. It's different than this one, which I also made last night. It's not really the light is not really helping me here, but as you can see, it's not really the same kind of flower. So I have these 2 types of sunflower bouquet for her. And also I just finished making my daisy flower. I'll be making 12 of this, just for a stock, because I'm not sure how much flower will it take to make to put on top of the bouquet later on. And today I continue making the next bouquet for the flower. I got really confused like yesterday because there's just too many ideas for the flower bouquet, and also the customer did send me a bunch of just inspiration, and I just become really confused. And And last night I did some organizing, like this one. Oh, sorry, this one. All of these are the flower bouquet that I will be making for this order. So I already crocheted a bunch of them. I put it here so it's much easier for me to get one if I needed one. And yes, of course, each of the flower bouquet doesn't really like, you know, similar to one another. Like, look at this one and then this one. One is bigger, one is kind of smaller than this one. It's smaller than this one, but yeah, I'm really confused right now what I should do with that. For this one, it's almost like a white color, but it is a light khaki, and also a chocolate one. I have a lot more to go, and then after this I'm going to crochet the base in this one color, in this color, and this color too. Today I would like to update with you guys my progress on my project. And just for your information, I've been doing all of the works behind the scene without the camera rolling, and so today I think I'm going to continue just a little bit more. There's actually have been a change of plan from what I originally had write down in my book, and today I think I'm going to continue making the bouquet ruffle on the top, like this one. Wait, get confused. Wait, this help. So just a few days ago, once I already crocheted all the flowers, the leaves, and all the bouquet bags, I actually already organized each part. I mean each bouquet with their respective flowers and leaves in a plastic like this. And so today my goal is to finish all this ruffle around this bouquet on the front loop on the round 7, and I'm kinda hoping that all the color that I chose will go really well with each other. And also I changed the honest pattern on making this. It's actually supposed to be a double crochet, but I think if I use a double crochet, it's going to be a lot more like bigger than this one, and I think this is enough. I'm using half double crochet for the ruffle. So yeah, I already finished making 2 of the ruffle. If the camera moves, just for your information, it's my cat. See, if you guys can hear her meowing, I mean him meowing, that's the cat. So I already finished making these 2 bouquet ruffle, and I have another 8 to go. I hope I can finish one actually today. And this is the daisy flower. I'm making 2, and then I also have this. It is actually called sunflower, but I don't know. I hope it actually at least look like a sunflower in terms of the color. But yeah, I already finished this one, and I'm on the making of the ruffle for the flower bouquet for this flower. Also I have this. This is all the bouquet for the rose flower, and also in addition with the character bunny, little bunny on top of it. And for the black one, I think I'm going to be using only the flower on top of it. And there's another black like this one black, and I'm going to put a ghost character on top of it, surrounded by rose flower. Yes, meow. Where? That's another cat of mine. And after this, look. Oh, that's cute. Bye. And then I also have this bouquet. I'm making this one. Looks really like a sunflower, but also I make one in a purple color. So yeah, I hope she likes it. And then after that, I'm done. I hope I can finish by today or at least tomorrow, so I can post it out like ASAP. Yeah, as soon as possible, because she needed it like earlier next week. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just start finishing up all of this project together. I think I will be sharing with you guys the process, maybe just a glimpse of it, because most of the time I forgot to turn the camera on and record my process. So I hope I can share just a little bit with you guys at least. So yeah, let's just start crocheting. Hello everyone, so I'm sorry if I talk really low at this moment because it's already in the middle of the night, and I just want to share with you guys today that I have already finished gluing and attach all the flowers onto the bouquet. Let me show each one of those bouquet with you guys. This is the sunflower with the color purple. Look at that. It's cute, right? It's really cute. And the other one is the sunflower with the like yellow, like the typical sunflower color. I really love seeing both of them. I don't know with you guys, but I really love this one, and I'm glad that it actually fit onto this bouquet, because I thought it's going to be smaller, but it's not. And then the second one I want to show with you guys is this one. Well, actually, according to the pattern, this one is also a sunflower bouquet, but when you look at it, I don't know if you guys can see any similarities with sunflower shape, but yeah, it still look like decent sunflower to me, and it's look amazing. This one I struggle a lot because it's really big and I cannot fit it into this bouquet, and I have to like squeeze them on each other so that it can fit really well. And then the next one is the daisy flower. I made two bouquets for the daisy flower. Sorry, there's something. Yes, it's two of them here, but with different color of the bouquet. One with the light khaki and one with the really dark brown or the chocolate yarn. And then after that, I'm gonna share with you guys this just simple and ordinary bouquet with this one is a green color, but I can't remember exactly what kind of green it is, what color it is, but it's really beautiful. And I actually thought I was running out of flower on this color, but actually I have a lot of it, and I accidentally put white on the middle, and I cannot just take it out and then attach another green on it because the glue is really strong. So, but it also looks okay, and my mom said it looks fine, still look beautiful too. So I'm gonna go with this one. And also I have this one. It's a black color with a black ruffle for the bouquet, and then the flower, I initially wanted to put red on this, but when I check it doesn't really I feel like it doesn't really suit this one, so I changed it for the other bouquet. And it's supposed to be a Halloween theme, but I don't know, I need to add something on this ghost. It's actually a ghost, but you guys cannot even see how it's shaped down there for the ghost, and I don't even put anything inside of this, so I hope it can stand strong like this. And I think I'm going to just add a mouth maybe. And then I also have this bunny. I have three of them. This one, these two, and then this one. It's really cute. I decided to make this kind of color because I think it pop out really well with this choice. Yeah. So what I'm going to do next is just to add the ribbon around here. I think instead of crocheting another a ribbon, I think I'm just going to add this kind of ribbon on to the bouquet. So I hope she likes it, and I hope it can like fit well with the color and all. So I think without any further ado, let's just start adding this ribbon into the flower bouquet. Hello everyone, it's me, and today is 28th of October 2024, which today I hope I can ship this flower bouquet to my customer. I actually already finished packing them all like last night and also this morning. Of course, I did take some picture and I will share with you guys here and here maybe. So I hope I didn't miss anything while crocheting this project. What I mean was, I hope I did cut the leftover yarn and so on. I only use tools that I have for now, and I am running out of time. So for the ribbon, I use a real ribbon instead of making it out of yarn also. So I hope she will be fine with that. And I already packed them in this box, big box. And I can't wait to ship them to her and see how it will go. And I'm sorry for all the messy background again. And also I have to warn you guys, this video might not be the most I think it's the most messiest I ever done like for the past 2 months since I post a long form video. So yeah, but I have so many more projects on the go, on the way. So I actually have another custom order that I need to do, which I don't even have a pattern for it. So of course it's going to be another challenge for me. So if you guys want to know how it goes, stick around and watch the video when it's up. So I think that's all from me for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.